Hi, welcome back. Today we will learn about the role and responsibilities of data analyst. Introduction. A data analyst plays a critical role in organizations by transforming raw data into actionable insights. They gather, clean, and analyze data to support decision-making and help businesses understand trends, optimize processes, and solve problems. Their expertise lies in their ability to interpret data and communicate findings, which can drive strategy and innovation within a company. Expertise and skill set. Data collection and preparation. Data collection, skilled in sourcing data from various internal and external databases, web scraping, APIs, and other data collection tools. Data cleaning, proficient in cleaning and pre-processing data to handle missing values, remove duplicates, and ensure consistency. Data structuring, organizes raw data into a structured format, making it suitable for analysis. This includes standardizing, sorting, and categorizing data. Statistical analysis, statistical techniques, knowledge of statistical techniques such as regression, correlation analysis, hypothesis testing, and data distribution. Trend analysis, recognizes patterns and trends in data, which can inform strategic decision-making. Forecasting and prediction, uses historical data to create forecasts and predict future trends, enabling proactive business strategies. Data visualization, data presentation, uses visualization tools, like Tableau, Power BI, and Excel, to present data in a clear and visually appealing manner. Charts and graphs, creates charts, graphs, dashboards, and reports to represent data insights, making complex data understandable for non-technical stakeholders. Storytelling, translates numbers into stories, helping to communicate the significance of data insights and trends in a compelling way. Database management and SQL proficiency, SQL skills, advanced skills in SQL, structured query language, to query and manipulate data in databases. This includes creating complex queries, joins, and aggregations. Database management, familiar with relational databases such as MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle, and NoSQL databases like MongoDB. Data extraction and loading, efficiently extracts data from databases, manages large datasets, and combines data from different sources. Programming and data manipulation, Python or R, proficiency in programming languages like Python and R for data manipulation, statistical analysis, and machine learning. Data libraries, familiarity with libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib, for Python, which are essential for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. Scripting, automates repetitive tasks and data cleaning processes using scripting skills. Business acumen, industry knowledge, deep understanding of the specific industry they are working in, finance, healthcare, e-commerce, to provide relevant insights. Problem-solving skills, ability to translate business problems into data-driven solutions, aligning their analysis with organizational goals. Stakeholder communication, works closely with business stakeholders to understand their data needs and provide actionable insights that address key questions. Advanced analytics and machine learning models. In some roles, data analysts work with machine learning algorithms to provide predictive analytics. Predictive modeling, creates models to forecast outcomes, like sales forecasting, customer segmentation, and churn prediction. Data-driven solutions, uses machine learning techniques to provide innovative data-driven solutions beyond traditional analysis. Roles and responsibilities. Data collection and data preparation, sourcing data, collects data from various sources, internal systems, databases, and external sources, to create a comprehensive dataset for analysis. Data cleansing, ensures data accuracy by cleaning and pre-processing data, making it reliable for analysis. Data integration, combines data from multiple sources, creating a unified dataset for analysis. Performing analysis and generating insights, exploratory data analysis, EDA explores and summarizes data to understand underlying patterns, outliers, and relationships. Trend analysis, identifies trends, patterns, and anomalies in data to support strategic decision-making. Insight generation, interprets the results to generate actionable insights that inform business strategies. Creating reports and visualizations. Dashboard creation builds interactive dashboards and visual reports that provide real-time insights to stakeholders. Monthly/quarterly reports prepares periodic reports with insights and recommendations based on data trends. Presentation of findings presents findings to stakeholders, translating complex data into understandable and relevant information. Supporting business decisions. Strategic recommendations uses data insights to provide recommendations that align with business objectives. Performance measurement tracks and measures key performance indicators, KPIs, to assess the impact of business decisions. Scenario analysis provides scenario-based insights, helping decision-makers understand potential outcomes of various strategies. Collaborating with teams. Cross-functional collaboration works with different departments, marketing, finance, operations, to align data analysis with each team's objectives. Requirements gathering engages with stakeholders to understand data requirements and tailor analysis to meet specific business needs. Data-driven culture promotes a data-driven approach by educating team members on the value of data and how to use insights effectively. Ensuring data security and privacy. Compliance with data policies ensures that all data handling complies with organizational and regulatory data privacy policies. Secure data management implements security practices to protect sensitive data. Ethical data usage ensures that data is used ethically, following data privacy guidelines like GDPR, CCPA. Conclusion: data analysts play a pivotal role in driving data-informed decision-making within organizations. With skills in data collection, analysis, visualization, and collaboration, they provide insights that help businesses optimize strategies, reduce costs, and improve overall efficiency. In a world increasingly driven by data, the role of a data analyst is more important than ever, empowering organizations to harness data effectively and remain competitive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos on data and analytics. Till then, have a great day, and bye-bye.